Welcome to Taiji's Origami Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how to make this lotus flower. So this lotus flower is probably one of the easiest models to make. There's no special folds. You just keep folding inside. The turning around the lotus petal may be a little bit challenging for the first time, but if you practice a couple times, then you definitely will get it. It's a really easy model, so I hope you give this a try yourself. Then, let's get started. Okay, let's make the lotus flower. I'm gonna bring the corner to the other corner, like this, and I'm not gonna fold the whole thing. I'm just gonna fold just around the middle line, like this, just like that, and also in the other direction. And here I'm also gonna fold only to this middle part, because what I just need is the center point right here. Then I'm gonna flip to the side, and then I'm gonna bring the corner to the center. I'm gonna do that 4 times. Just like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing again, the new corner to the center, and also 3 more times. Just like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing again, bring the corner to the center for the 3rd time. It gets a little bit difficult maybe, because the paper gets thicker. Just like that. And then I'm going to now flip to the other side. Then we're going to bring the corner, not to the center, but just slightly. Like this, just like that. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other corners, just about the same amount, just like that. So the next step may be a little bit tricky if you're new to this, but what you want to do is you want to bring this flap out, and while you do that, you want to make sure these folds stay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the 2 thumbs and hold these to a corner like this, and then I'm going to bring one flap with your pointing finger, just like this, out. And as you do that, you want to push here and bring this out. And as I do that, I'm gonna kind of very slowly pull it out like this as I push this outside, like this. So just like that. Then you have one of the petal. Then I'm gonna repeat that process for all corners. So again, with the new corner, I'm gonna hold the corners with your thumb, and I'm gonna take this flap out. And as I do that, I keep pushing this outward like this and pull like this. Make sure you do this very slowly, very gentle. Otherwise you may rip the paper and you don't want that. So just like that. And again, holding this corner and bring this out as I push like this outward, and pull the tip as well, just like that. So just like that. And also the last time, take this out. Just like that. Then you have the 4 petals. And now I'm going to do again with the new petal right here and pull it out like this. And this time, make sure you hold this corner, and then I'm going to very gently hold this out and make sure the form doesn't change. Very gently, very slowly. So just like that. And then again here, take this out very slowly, very gently, like that. And then again, taking this out, pulling it out, maintaining the form, just like that. And then the last time, pull this out, just like that. Then you have the 8 petals. And then there's one more set left. So I'm gonna pull this out like this, very gently. And this kind of, the last step has a kind of bit of feeling of peeling out. Oops. Yeah, so it happens when you rip, it's not a big problem. And then take one sheet, you keep pulling very gently, very slowly, like this. So just like that. Then with that, lotus is actually finished. So you can finish the lotus just as it is, like this, but lotus have numerous flower petals. So I want to make another set inside, but with a little smaller paper. Then for that, I'm going to take the same size sheet, and then I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And the size I want to make it 3/4 of the side length, like this. And so to do that, I'm going to fold in half like this, but not folding the whole line. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a small fold like this, and then so you see the half line. And then I'm going to bring this corner to here. And then this, I'm going to fold all the way. And then this, I'm gonna cut off like that. And I'm gonna do the same thing here, fold in half, but not all the way. I'm just gonna make a small fold like this. And then also bring this to here, like this, and this time, of course, folding the whole way. And then you have a little bit smaller paper. And then repeat the whole process. So I'm gonna find the center like this. And flip to the other side and bring the all corners to the center. And also again the corner to the center. And then for the third time, bring the corner to the center. This does get a lot more difficult when this paper is smaller. So just like that. And then flip to the other side, and then I'm gonna bring the corner just a little bit to the center. And I'm gonna hold the corner like this with your thumb, and then bring this sheet out like this. With the small paper, it gets a little more tricky, but I hope you get it like this. And we're gonna repeat the process. Make sure you do it very slowly, very gently. So just like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing again. Take this sheet out, maintain the shape. And the last paper. So just like that. And then this fits right in the center like this. And then you have more flower petals. And then it just looks more like a lotus flower. Then this is finished for the lotus flower. So as you saw, making this lotus flower is really easy. The turning you may have to practice a couple times, but I think it's definitely manageable. So I really hope you give this a try yourself. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you hit the like button for me. And if you have any question or request or any feedback, please write anything in the comments below. And if you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe. Otherwise, I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye.